Put it all up, Mr. Backerman? Huh? Come on, last set. Shoot it all. Race to 9 for 80,000. I'll bet this big-time action brings out the dog in your boy over there. Did I just stutter or something? Did I just stutter? A few minutes ago it was like a pool hole, this motherfucker. Now it's as quiet as a church. Is this your first time on the pool hole, Mr. Beckerman? Is that it? Close it, vanish. Let me tell you something. When you walk out of here, you'll have the smell of this place.
Get a good feeling.